Hey, welcome back to Newbie Nims, where I try new things because it's never too late to give something a go for the first time. And today I am doing something new, obviously. I am making custard. I've actually never made custard before, and it's Christmas and I want custard, but I can't eat dairy, so how am I going to make custard? All of the custards that I've ever had in the past have had milk, so today I'm going to make custard with soy milk. So let's have a look at how I'm going to make custard. So custard powder. I'm basically just following the instructions. 2 tablespoons of the custard powder. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. But today, instead of using white sugar, I'm actually going to use monk fruit sugar. Okay, like this. It's a little, for me, it's a little less sweet. And because it's refined sugar-free, there's less calories as well. I'm going to follow the instructions to use the exact same amount, which is 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to use this one instead. Okay, moment of truth. I just made custard for the first time and I'm gonna taste it. It tastes pretty good. Overly not too sweet, which is what I like with the monk fruit sugar. So if you're looking for something a little less sweet, I recommend using monk fruit sugar. And that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in and watching me make custard. I hope you guys have a great Christmas and make lots of custard too. See you. Bye.